This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 200MK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 24 feet 11 inches in length and features one Slideout, sleeps 4, TV, microwave, Slideout, refrigerator, air conditioning, Skylight, Colorado Detector, LP Detector, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 200MK is 4,796 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.